Ever wondered how challenging it can be to find the right stocks that will skyrocket your investment portfolio? You're not alone. Like panning for gold in a riverbed, unearthing the true gems from the vast universe of publicly traded companies can feel like a daunting task. There are thousands of options, and each one comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Enter stock screeners, the unsung heroes of the investing world. Imagine having a tool that sifts through the financial riverbed for you, picking out the nuggets of gold and leaving the worthless pebbles behind. That's what a stock screener does. It's a powerful tool that filters stocks based on specific criteria you set, allowing you to focus on those with the greatest potential for high returns. Well, today you are in luck, as we demystify the use of stock screeners to help you pick winning stocks. Stay tuned, and let's begin this exciting journey together. To start off, what exactly are stock screeners? Well, imagine them as your personal treasure hunters in the vast world of stock market investing. Stock screeners are software tools that investors use to filter through thousands of stocks based on specific criteria. They sift through the entire stock market, picking out stocks that meet your unique investment needs. Consider this: the stock market is like an ocean teeming with a multitude of fish, stocks. But not every fish is right for you. You need a net to catch the best ones. That's what a stock screener does. It's your net, tailored to catch stocks that meet your specific criteria, whether that's growth stocks, value stocks, dividend stocks, or any other category. By using stock screeners, you can save time, make more informed decisions, and enhance your investment strategy. These tools are your treasure maps, leading you to profitable investment opportunities. There are numerous stock screeners available, but today we'll focus on 3 exceptional ones. First up, we have the FinViz stock screener. Renowned for its ease of use and comprehensive data, it's a favorite among both novice and seasoned investors. Next, we have the Zacks Investment Research Stock Screener. What sets Zacks apart? Its in-depth research tools and proprietary ranking system. Last, but definitely not least, is the Fidelity Investment Stock Screener. Fidelity stands out for its robust and customizable screening options, making it a versatile tool for any investor. Now, it's essential to remember that these are just tools. They are not a magic wand. They help us sift through the vast ocean of stocks to find potential winners. But remember, they don't replace good old-fashioned research and analysis. Each of these screeners has unique features that make them stand out. Let's delve into each one. First off, let's explore the FinViz Stock Screener. This is an incredibly powerful tool that allows investors to filter stocks based on a wide range of criteria, offering a comprehensive snapshot of a stock's key fundamentals and technicals. To get started, navigate to the screener section on the FinViz homepage. Here, you'll find a wealth of options neatly categorized into descriptive, fundamental, and technical tabs. Let's create a growth stock screen criteria as an example. Growth stocks are shares in companies that are expected to grow at an above-average rate relative to other stocks. To identify these, we can start by setting a few parameters. Under the Descriptive tab, select USA in the country filter to focus on American stocks. Next, under the Fundamental tab, select over 20% for the sales growth quarter over quarter. This allows us to focus on companies that are showing strong recent growth. In addition, let's also select over 20% for the earnings growth next 5 years. This helps us find companies that are expected to increase earnings at a fast pace in the future. Now switch to the Technical tab. Here you might want to filter stocks that are trading above their 200-day moving averages. This typically points to an upward trend, a positive sign for growth stocks. Once you've set your filters, click on the Get Results button. The page that appears will list all the stocks that meet your criteria. From here, you can dive deeper into each stock, exploring their charts, financials, and recent news. This is just one way to use the FinViz Stock Screener. It's a versatile tool, and you can adjust the filters based on your specific investment strategy. Remember, while screeners can help you narrow down potential investments, they're not a substitute for thorough research. With FinViz, you are well equipped to spot potential growth stocks. It's a powerful ally in your journey of stock market investing, helping you unearth those hidden gems that could potentially offer substantial returns. Next up, we have the Zacks Investment Research Stock Screener. This tool is a treasure trove for investors, providing a wealth of data and analytics at your fingertips. To start, simply head to the Zacks website and navigate to the Screener section. Here you'll find a plethora of criteria you can use to filter stocks. Whether you're searching for growth, value, or income stocks, Zacks has you covered. Let's dive into a quick example. Say you're looking for small-cap growth stocks in the technology sector. With Zacks, you can set these parameters, and the screener will provide you with a list of suitable candidates. But that's not all. Zacks also provides a unique rating system, ranking stocks on their potential for outperformance. This can help you make an informed decision. The beauty of the Zacks screener is its user-friendly interface and the sheer depth of information it provides. Zacks makes it easy to uncover high-potential stocks with its comprehensive screening tool. Last but not least, we have the Fidelity Investment Stock Screener. This screener is a potent tool that can help you uncover winning stocks with efficiency and precision. To use it, you'll first need to log into your Fidelity account. Once you're in, navigate to the Research tab and select Stocks from the drop-down menu. Here you'll find the Stock Screener option. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with a plethora of filter options. These filters range from fundamental factors like earnings per share and dividend yield to technical indicators such as relative strength index. You can also filter based on the sector and industry of the stocks. After setting your desired filters, hit Find Stocks. The screener will then provide you with a list of stocks that meet your criteria. You can deep dive into each stock for a comprehensive analysis. Fidelity's screener is a powerful tool that can help you zero in on strong investment opportunities. There you have it, 3 powerful stock screeners to help you unearth winning stocks. Let's quickly recap on what we've covered today. We've delved into the world of stock screeners, instruments designed to help you filter through the vast sea of investment options. We explored the FinViz Stock Screener, a tool renowned for its comprehensive data and user-friendly interface. We then took a look at the Zacks Investment Research Stock Screener, respected for its detailed analysis and robust metrics. Lastly, we examined the Fidelity Investment Stock Screener, praised for its accessibility and rich features. Remember, these screeners are not just tools, they're your allies in making informed strategic investment decisions. They can help you spot the diamonds in the rough, the growth stocks poised to soar. But like any tool, they're only as good as the hands that wield them. If you found this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful investment content. Until next time, happy investing!